Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to take you on a journey through the enchanting city of Prague. As we stroll through the charming streets, you will be captivated by the stunning architecture that echoes centuries of history. The iconic Charles Bridge offers breathtaking views of the Vltava River and the Prague Castle overlooking the city. Walk on the narrow cobblestone alleys of Old Town Square to see Prague astronomical clock. It is not just a timepiece, it's a masterpiece of medieval engineering. Our journey to Prague started from Oslo. Journey took us around 2 hours in a direct flight. We started in an unusual way to explore the city, to see its past using virtual reality. I must say, it was an exciting experience to see how historical Old Town looked and how they look now. VR headsets were great, even in rain shower. The walking tour lasted for 2 hours, and it made us feel like we were part of the history and living in that era. We were very satisfied and we highly recommend it. We saw how the Charles Bridge Jewish ghetto and Old Town Square was in olden time. The Charles Bridge is an iconic landmark of the city. The bridge is adorned with impressive statues and has a lively atmosphere with street performers and vendors. It can get crowded, especially during peak tourist season. Be sure to visit early in the morning or late in the evening for a more serene experience and to avoid crowds. As per Czech legend, construction began on Charles Bridge at 5:31 am on 9th of July 1357, with the first stone being laid by Charles IV himself. This exact time was very important to the emperor because he was a strong believer in numerology and felt that this specific time, which formed a palindrome, would imbue the bridge with additional strength. This palindrome can be seen on the museum entrance near the Charles Gate. There is another legend that touching the falling priest on the plank on the statue of John of Navarre is supposed to bring good luck and ensure your return to Prague. The thin church dominates one side of the Old Town Square. Legend has it that the thin church towers gave Walt Disney the inspiration for Sleeping Beauty Castle. True or not, the church is an impressive Gothic style structure. The astronomical clock was placed at the front side of the tower in 1410. It's well worth paying attention to each and every parts that make up this engineering marvel. It is said that once this clock stops running for a long time, the Czech nation will suffer bad times. And the skeleton was supposed to confirm this fact by nodding his head. In the city hall, there is a never-ending elevator. It runs non-stop, so riders have to move quickly. Besides the city hall, there is a municipal library of Prague, which has the endless tower of books. The tower is made of 8,000 books with mirrors at top and the bottom to create an infinity effect. Cool, isn't it? The Prague Jewish Quarter is home to several stunning synagogues and a 15th century cemetery. It's also the birthplace of Franz Kafka and the Golem. Paris Street is very close to Jewish ghetto and is famous for having the most expensive shops and highest rents in Prague. Plenty of legend swirl around the Devil's Stream. One story has it that the amicable ghost of the water sprites blesses those who give him a beer with pikes or ales. After John Lennon's death, a young Czech artist made a graffiti dedicated to Lennon on this wall. Today, the wall represents a symbol of global ideas such as love and peace. Prague Castle is a landmark of Prague overlooking the Vltava River. The Prague Castle dates back to before the year 900. The castle complex hosts St. Vitus Cathedral, the Old Royal Palace, St. George Basilica, and the Golden Lane. Tram number 22 is probably the easiest way to get to the Prague Castle. We were able to see the change of guard, but it was not that impressive as we have seen in some other European countries. There is a viewpoint on the right of the castle from where you can see the television tower and the Petrin Tower. The television tower is the tallest building in Prague. 10 giant creepy babies inching their way up are the eye-catching feature of this television tower. The Petrin Lookout Tower resembles the Eiffel Tower and was used as an observation tower as well as a transmission tower. Today, the tower is a major tourist attraction. St. Vitus Cathedral is the largest and the most important church in Prague. St. George Basilica is the oldest surviving church building within Prague Castle. A narrow famous street in Prague Castle is the Golden Lane. The name comes from the goldsmith and alchemist. Also, the room number 22 is where Franz Kafka lived. On the upper floor, you can see medieval armory and a torture chamber. Absolutely a must-see.
There's a QR code you can scan. You will download to your phone PDF of recommendations for restaurants, bars, galleries, like that. You can scan this to download to your phone, depending on the place.
There are so many cool statues in Prague. This is a cool statue of an upside-down horse hidden in an historical arcade. We did see as a part of a guided walking tour. It was fun to see it. Do you recognize these stairs? No? Okay, let me give you a hint. It was featured in a famous Tom Cruise movie. Post the movie name in the comment. We loved the vibrant energy of Prague. This city is truly a magical destination. Stay tuned for more travel destinations and adventures. If you liked this video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.